The day just started. Today is Monday morning. The day just started, and we have 120 pips in profit already for the day. And how do we get these things done? A lot of you might be thinking we are making these figures up. We are not, and we have never made up any figures. Any trade we called out are always on records. So how do we get this done? It is not by magic, right? So it is always by understanding the language of the market. There are so many traders out there who try to make money in the market by using the wrong method, the wrong approach, the wrong systems, and these things always complicate this process for them. So if you really want to make money in the market, you need to find a way to simplify your approach to the market. So everything you do goes hand in hand. There is no complication, there is no self-doubt, you have a lot of confidence in your trading. That is where you want to be because you get maximum outcome by doing things the right way. So if you are using indicators, you are using a lot of drawings and whatever on your chart, these things do not create no results. Indicators are always made to lag behind price. So whatever indicators you are using, there are people who also go all the way to the extent of buying indicators and whatever. Those things don't work. Indicators, no matter who made them, are always made to lag behind price. So until price make a move before your indicators make a move. And by the time your indicators make a move, it is giving you a late signals. So those things are always going to put you behind, and you will always be at a disadvantage. So if you really want to make money in the market, you need to understand the naked price movement, understand how the market moves, what moves the market, and this is going to give you a good advantage over the market, right? So the way we trade is actually very simple. All we simply do is understand the price movement, right? So we project those big moves on the high time frame. We come all the way down to the small time frame and find the right place to get involved and take advantage of these big moves we have projected on the high time frame. Now, the trade on Euro AUD is one very good example because we did something very classic on that trade. I called out this move on Friday before before NFP on Friday, and this trade gave us about 50 pips on Friday. And this morning, very early Monday morning, we have our TP, which has been hit on this trade, and this has given us about 120 pips to begin the day. So if you are trading 0.10, you know that is $120 for you. If you trade 0.50, that is well over 500 USD in your pocket by doing nothing, almost nothing, by simply pressing a couple buttons on your phone. If you trade one standard lot, that is $1,200 in your pocket by simply pushing a few buttons on your phone. But what is more important is the knowledge of this skill set. When you understand these things, it makes you a walking ATM, like literally. So I'm going to show you a quick breakdown of what we did, how we broke down this trade, how we spot this trade and call this trade from Friday, and also the results we've made from this very trade today being Monday morning, right? So let's quickly go and check out this breakdown video so we understand what happened on that trade and also how we were able to generate this whole profit from that trade.
I have highs on EA, and with EA, I'm looking at this very level here. So this is the H1 chart. Let's go to the H4. So on the 4-hour time frame here, you can see what we have here. Price is testing a good level. Let's go to the daily so we can see. So that is the daily level we spoke about some time ago. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see price testing that very level one more time. And what we see on the 4-hour time frame here is a possible H4 double bottom. A possible H4 double bottom, right? Very big double bottom. So on the H1, we have something also on the H1. When you look at this clearer, you will see something good coming up. So this, in this case, this is setting up for a possible long. So there is a lot of confirmation in this trade. If you run your fibs, we have very good level being tested. We have the 618, and also we have the 100, the 886 would be somewhere around here. So we can see price is giving us a very good fib retracement ratio. So in this case here, we are looking at possible correction. Some bullish activities come into this market. So this looks very good for some bullish activities. However, we need to be very strategic with our entries, right? So we want to see something like this happen on here, something like this. So how do we get into this type of trade? Let's look at the small time frame, the M15. On the M15, we have more confirmations for our entry. So the M15 here, you will see what looks like a downtrend. On the M15, you see something like this, and price has been respecting the levels from this downtrend on the M15. You can see how price has moved. So right now, we can see price has created a new low. So based on this new low, we should look forward to some possible correction happen. And with this, we have this in mind. So price could give us a possible double bottom right there. So if price comes down one more time, that would be a very good time to pick an entry. So there is a possible double bottom to come up in this level. So if we got that double bottom right there, that would be a very good confirmation to ride this all the way up, right? So with this one here, you may want to have your first TP. Today is Friday, so you may have your first TP right here, and you may have the second TP up here, the next high, which is
You can see this is the trade. This is one of the trades we took for this very call that we made, and you can see it gave us very good decent profits as well. So this all these trades I've been calling out are called out in the private group, the blue VIP private group. I called out trades, break down the market in real time, make all these calls, and then give stop loss and take profit for this trade. So whoever out there is willing to work with us, you can simply subscribe to the blue VIP private group and be part of what we do in the private group and take advantage of all these great premium calls we make every single time. And for those of you out there who are yet to get a very good understanding of the forex market, if you are looking for a forex mentorship program that can really take you from nothing and take you and walk you all the way to the top, holding your hand side by side to show you everything you really need to know about the forex market, the truth that you need to know about the forex market, you need to check out our forex mentorship program. And I believe you are going to thank yourself you choose to invest in yourself. So that'll be all for this quick video, and I'll be back again very soon.